Welcome to the course Machine Learning with Python. In this course, we will talk about machine learning with Python. This course will be divided into 7 sections. First, we will learn about the basic and general understanding of machine learning, how it works, along with its several types, like supervised, unsupervised, and reinforcement learning. And we will also discuss the importance of Python language. At the end of this section, you will have the basic understanding of machine learning and the development environment setup on your system. In the next section, we will cover what is data cleaning and how it works with important steps involved in data preprocessing. And we will also learn how to normalize data using different techniques. Following that, we will discover what classification is. We will also talk about the classification algorithms and how to evaluate them. After that, we will talk about the regression, what it is, how it works, and how to evaluate regression algorithms. In the 5th section, we will talk about fine-tuning machine learning models. At the end of this section, we will also cover what cross-validation is and why we use it. In the 6th section, we will learn how to export machine learning models from scikit-learn and TensorFlow. We'll also go through how to use the FAST API to develop the REST APIs in order to deploy machine learning models. In the last section, we will learn about deep learning and how it works. We'll also go over key concepts and terminology used in deep learning. We will learn how to design a deep learning model using the TensorFlow library at the conclusion of this part. Before starting this course, you must have a basic understanding of the Python programming language. And also, we need an active Gmail account in order to utilize Google's Colab.